Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today will be another DIY video. This video is a part of a challenge that is hosted by two lovely ladies. The first one is Carrie, and her channel is Mama Dares to DIY, and the other one is Keisha from Sweet Urban Rose. They come up with this really neat challenge. It is called Nailed It or Failed It. So what we will have to do is find an inspiration picture somewhere and try to recreate it, and then you guys will be the judges of if we succeeded with the challenge. So I will bring you in this video a couple of DIYs, and if it's something that you are interested in, please continue watching. Okay guys, I have seen this idea. Heidi Sambol did it, and I just loved it. I am been into coastal theme a lot lately, so I have seen she used, I don't know what's the name of it, it's like a dome thing. So I had little 3 of this. I purchased it on Amazon a long time ago, and I don't know what to use it for, so now I do. This is the biggest one I have, so it's kind of still small, but anyway, so I will link Heidi's video where I got the inspiration from in my description below, so you can look at it. So I got one of those round circles, and I measured it and I cut it, so this way I will, when I will be inserting my what is this, shish kebab sticks in it, then it will stick to it. But to do that, I would like to wrap this thing to make it a little prettier in this burlap. So that's what I'm gonna be doing. And then this is like excess, I will keep it for scraps. Then I have a whole box of shells that I've been collecting, I don't know, for maybe half a year already. So there's a different ones, so I will probably be picking the smallest one and attaching them to my little sticks. So this is what we're going to be doing today on this project. Okay, so for this project I'll be using this frame from Dollar Tree, and again my box of shelves. So, and of course the glue gun, and I'll be using some jute. Well, that was all for today. I hope you enjoyed it, and I can't wait to see what you guys think about my DIYs. And I am asking you, did I nailed it or failed it? So please leave me a comment, and if you want to see more videos in this style, there is lots of lovely people participating, and we are having a playlist going, and it is linked in my description below. Also, if you don't know neither one of the host ladies, Carrie or Keisha, I would strongly recommend you guys go and check it out. All the information about them will be linked in the description box below as well. They are amazing crafters, DIYers. They got all kinds of stuff that you can get inspired and try to recreate, or just look at how they turn in things from nothing to something really amazing. But that was all for today for me. If you're one of my new people, please let me know in the comments below so I can welcome you to the family. And if you're one of my returning, thank you so much for stopping by and supporting me. I really appreciate it. And I will see you in the next one real soon. Bye.